Next, select the incorrect match. 902, 902, 506, 506, 259, 259, 296, 269. So answer is this one, incorrect the matches. Next question. Which beer show the largest value? Which beer shows the largest value? 18 tens, 15 tens, 500, 40 ones. 18 tens, 80 into 10. The answer is 180. 15 tens, 50 into 10. Answer is 150. 500, 5 into 100. Answer is 500. 40 ones, 40 into 1 is equal to 40. So answer is 500. So answer is R. C. Next question. Which of the following correctly show increasing order of numbers on the given set of dolls? Which of the following correctly shows increasing order of numbers on the given set of dolls? First doll number is 531, 508, 599, 516. Increasing order. So increasing order. First one is 508. 1. Next number is 516. 2. Next number is 531. 3. 599. 4. Answer is Q. Q is first. Yes. QSPR. QSPR. Answer is A. Next. In 952, the digit 5 is at dash place. In 952, the digit is 5 is at dash place. 5 is a tens place. So answer is A. Tens place. Next. Which of the following set of numbers are arranged in descending order? Which of the following set of numbers are arranged in descending order? Descending order means greater than to smaller than. So 571, 579, 597, 570 is not there. Next 597, 579, 578, 571. So this answer is correct. Is greater than to smaller than. Next, everyday mathematics. Rachi planted some plants in a garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 340 and has 6 at the tens place. Which of the following cannot be the number of plants planted by her? Rachi is planted some plants in garden. So 368 is a 340 is the 368 is greater than. So you cannot. You can. Next 568. 562 340 is 340 is smaller than 560 is 68 is greater. So you can. 864 and 340. 340 is smaller. 864 is a great. So greater than. You cannot 269 to 340. Is cannot done. Next question. Jyoti has the set of number cards 358. Which of the smallest possible 3-digit number that can be formed by using each card only once? 358 is a 538 is a big number. 358 and 538 is big number. 358 is a one number. 338. So is a smallest number is 358. Smallest number is B. 358. Next question. Priyanka asked Savita to tell the number on the given abacus. Which of the following could be the correct answer? Number stand is there. Is the beads is there. You want to coordinate the beads. 1, 2 and 2 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there. There is no beads. You want to take on 0. 0 answer. The answer is D.